Hi everyone and welcome back to my beauty channel. My name is Josephine and I do all kinds of beauty videos, but mostly unboxing videos and makeup videos. Today I'm going to unbox the Goodiebox of May, and I haven't sneak peeked or anything, so I have no idea what's inside of this box as usual. Goodiebox is a beauty subscription. You receive a box monthly with around 5 beauty products. It can be full size or smaller travel sizes, but mostly full-size products, so makeup, hair products, skin products, beauty tools, everything. It's kind of like Glossybox, but I prefer Goodiebox. Last month's box was a bit not for me. I didn't like it, so I hope it's better this month. And I actually have a affiliate link in the description box. Not everyone can use this link. You can only use it 10 times, so I can't assure you, but if you're going to subscribe to this box, you can try my link, and if you use that, I think it's 25% off your first box. Earlier they had 50% off, but I think it's 25% off now, and I receive goodie points, so I don't get money or anything. This is not a collaboration or a sponsor. Nothing like that, it's just an affiliate link. But with that said, let's start this unboxing. So this is the box. It says Goodiebox on the top, it's black, and this part, the drawer, always look different, so different shades or colors and prints every month. This month we have a light yellow box. That's the inside. We have a description paper. I read this after I've unboxed the whole box. I take one product at a time, talk about it, and then we read this in the end. I don't sneak peek. I just grab one product. So let's start. Okay, first product. What is this? This is a beauty tool. We have received beauty tools from this brand before, I guess. Yeah, Moshi Mind. I recognize the bag. What is this? Some kind of stone? I don't know what this is, but it's like a scrub stone or something. It smells nice. I guess you scrub your feet with this or something. That's really weird. Doesn't say. We just have to read the description later. I love these bags and how they pack their products. So adorable. Next product. Oh, I recognize this brand as well. Humankind. Earlier we received After Sun or something like that from this brand, but this is a hand scrub, moisturizing hand scrub, elflower and raspberry, 75 milliliters, natural, the perfect solution to soften your hands, feet and elbows without drying them out. Shea butter, sunflower oil, red raspberry seed, blah blah blah, a lot of ingredients. Let's open. Doesn't smell a lot. I just realized I have to wash my hands now. Normal scrub. I love the scent. Yeah, that's amazing. Okay, I'll have to go and wash my hands now. I love that. Oh, is this a face mask? Yeah. Nutrition. I'm avocado mask sheet, Tony Moly, 1 sheet. So just a face mask, deeply nourishes tired skin, leave on for 20 to 30 minutes and then remove. I hate face masks. You know that if you've watched my earlier videos. I don't think they really work because you only receive 1 or 2 masks and then you have to repurchase them because you won't see a result by using it just one time. You have to use it multiple times. Therefore, I don't appreciate receiving masks, face masks, or foot masks or whatever, because I just have to repurchase them, and I'm not going to do that because they're ridiculously expensive. I don't know why I should buy it. I can just as easy buy package with some kind of lotion or something, and it costs just as much. So it's just ridiculous for me. I don't know. I don't appreciate it. But I know that other people do, so I guess it's fine, but not a hit for me. Moving on. Okay. Something in a little bag. Kwan, I think. Gently balances skin, nourishing face oil. Soothe troubled skin. Unscented, natural. 15 milliliters. It's like the smallest font ever. Okay, so just a nice face oil. Looks expensive. I like it. Next product. Some gum. We received gums from this brand earlier as well. True gum, strong mint, vegan. It tasted good actually. Very fresh. Foot Lab Company instant foot peeling. Love your feet every day. It's a exfoliating serum. To spray the serum onto the desired area of the foot, spread evenly and rinse your fingers afterwards. 1 minute before scrubbing with a foot file and rinsing off. Fun that you receive something for your feet as well, so not just for the face. The last product, Balance Me 8HA Glow Mask, 20 milliliters. We received products from these brands before as well. This is a triple action chemical exfoliant mask with skin brightening fruit acids to deeply purify, plump, and reveal a natural, more youthful, luminous glow in less than 15 minutes. Smooth over face and leave for up to 15 minutes. Remove with warm water. Vegan. Sleek packaging. Appreciate that. It looks nice on the shelf. If we don't count the gum, we have 6 products, so that's really, really nice. First of all, the Moshi Moshi Mind full-size Mind Pumice Stone. Recommended price around $12. Your feet will thank you. It's a lava stone and it comes from Mother Earth. It's a fantastic tool to get healthy and nice feet. You can combine it with your new foot peel spray. To get the best effect, the stone should be used wet, and also the feet should also be wet. We recommend you to use it in the shower or in a foot bath. Take the stone in circular light motions to file away all hard skin. Use once or twice a week, and remember to rinse the stone with water after use and let it dry. Okay, I'm definitely going to use this. I have very dry feet, okay? I'm sorry. I have Humankind full size hand scrub, elflower and raspberry. Recommended price around $14. Just as our face and our feet, our hands need to be taken care of as well. Our hand scrub is made of 100% natural ingredients. Okay. Foot Lab Company instant foot peeling. This is not a full size. The full size is 100 milliliters and this was 30 milliliters. And the recommended price for a full size is $20. So yeah, it's peeling serum. It immediately softens dead skin cells. Use the spray once a week. Let it sit for 1 minute before you file your heels with a foot file or the pimp stone. Balance Me AHA Glow Mask. Recommended price $25 for 50 milliliters. This is 20 milliliters. The mask can make your skin a bit sensitive, so we recommend you to use it in the evening. And remember to use SPF the day after, so your skin is always protected. Yes, sir. Tony Moly full size I'm avocado mask sheet. Recommended price $5. Fantastic on toasted bread. fantastic in guacamole, fantastic in a sheet mask. Avocado is always right. Apply the mask on cleansed and dry face. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes, blah blah blah. Don't rinse afterwards. Let the skin absorb all of the serum. Skön skincare, full size. That's full size? It's very small, okay. Nourishing face oil, recommended price $38. That's expensive for that little bottle, right? I think so. Apply 2 to 3 drops and don't forget the décolletage. The oil can be used morning and evening. First hint of summer is the theme. I appreciate that we received a lot of products, and I mean, we have a tool, a scrub tool, we have a scrub for the feet or a feet serum, we have foot peeling, a hand scrub, a face oil, gum, a glow mask, face mask. I don't really like that, but you know that already. But overall, a really nice box. I actually like it. I feel a bit relieved. They were better than last month. I was a bit scared that they were going to be more like Glossybox. I don't like that. That would result in me unsubscribing, so I'm happy they did better this month, actually. And I hope everyone else is satisfied with their box. But yeah, as I said earlier, I have a affiliate link in the description box. Don't forget to use it or try to use it, because not everyone can. Only 10 of you can use it. It's just an affiliate link. You receive 25% off your first box. I receive Goodie points, so not sponsored or anything. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, turn the notifications on so you don't miss my future videos, and I see you in the next one. Bye!